So today we're going to do a simple job. I got an air filter in, so we're going to change this air filter. And this is a really easy job. The only tool that you need is a Phillips screwdriver. But I've been experiencing a little bit of bog and power, and I think it's because this air filter's done. I've been washing it and cleaning it, and it's still not happy. So I think this is just a pickier air filter than what I'm used to. But this is a simple little video we're going to do. I wish I had better depth perception. We're going to take this off. Yeah, it's dirty. It's really dirty. So we're going to take that off. And this guy is stinky. Smells like oil. Really bad. I'm just going to chuck that. But I moved into the green realm, which is supposedly the high performance realm. I don't know if there's that big of a difference between green and reddish orange paper, but we'll find out. At least my air filter is going to be clean. And then there's a little there's a little gasket in there. You don't want to mess it up. There we go. And we'll put this single one up here, hold it in place, and we'll get the rest of them on. I'll have to go and get that.
If you take the camera for a second, I'll go find it.
Okay. So we're gonna tighten these all around. My beautiful assistant is gonna help me find that last screw. She's actually helping me videotape today. This is gonna be a long video. Tighten on there good. I don't have any modifications because I run EFI, so I don't have a pod filter or anything like that. Honestly, it would just get really gross and dirty doing what I do with this bike anyway, so it's kind of a waste. It's not a street bike. I do go off-road a lot, and something like a pod filter, it wouldn't really benefit me. It would make me run lean, and overall just wear the engine down more than is necessary. And I'm not really into that. I kind of want my bike running for a long time. I'm not doing wheelies or anything. And also, these NCY rollers, I do notice a uptick in torque, but I have lost about 5 miles an hour off the top end, so I am going to see if I can blend them a little with the 14s and kind of get a 13 gram. See if I can get a good median of the two. But I guess now I'm chasing that transmission tune. And this job is complete. It's back on. Went from old to new. And this is after being washed a couple times, so this is spent. I've even blown it out with an air compressor, and you know, they're not expensive. I think I spent 12 bucks on eBay. So anyway, thanks for watching, and watch for the next video.